You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, a name of German origin. Now, it's how you can say it in German and how it's usually pronounced in English. So in German, if it's spelled this way, the exact way, with no umlaut, no dots on the U, it's pronounced Grunewald, Grunewald. Now, if there's a double dot on the U, an umlaut, it'd be Grunewald, Grunewald. Now, in English, it's either generally pronounced as Grunewald, Grunewald, or Grunewald, or Grunewald as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.